What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, I always appreciate all the love and support. As you can see right now, man, I am not in prime. I'm driving in my daily, which is my Kia Optima, and I absolutely love, but right now the car smells like tires. As you can see in the background, I got wheels and tires. I got a tire in the passenger seat, got tires, rims and tires in the back seat, I got rims and tires on the other side. There's just rims and tires everywhere in this damn car. Oh yeah, there's a tire in the trunk too. I don't want to forget about that. But you guys, right now I am on my way currently. It's 6:26 a.m. in the morning on my day off, mind you. On my day off, I'm on my way to my friend Aaron's shop. He owns Express Phoenix. He is the only one that can mount my tires on my rims without scuffing the rims. Number one, because his shop, he coats the wheels, he powder coats the wheels. So of course, when he puts the tires back on your car, that's a part of the package, and he'll balance them, mount them, balance them, all that stuff. When he puts them on, he has to make sure that he doesn't scuff your wheels. So he's the only dude I can take my wheels to, because these are 345, 30, 20s on the car. You know what I'm saying? Well, these ones are for the rear, because the rim is a 20 by 12. So I would take it to Discount Tire because I know that they can do it also. They can put them on, but I don't know. I think a long time ago, before my accident, I think I took it to them one time, and it was a tiny little nick on the rim. Like, it wasn't to the point where it took paint off the rim, but still, I don't like that. You know what I mean? Like, I tell you guys, take care of my stuff. You see I'm bringing you the product where it's in mint condition, and then you give it back to me and it's not mint condition. I don't like that, you know? So it's nothing against the company. The company's great. They got great tools and stuff at Discount Tire, but at the same time, it's the person that's working on it. Sometimes they might not be as caring as the next person. So Aaron is definitely caring about his work. He knows every time that he does his work, it's out there in the public, and people are driving around and they're displaying the line of work that he provides. So I'm on my way over there right now, man. Enough talking from me. Let's go straight to the shop, y'all. We're almost there. Let's get it. All right, you guys, we're back. So I am just pulling up to Express Phoenix, and I'm gonna have to take the wheels out the car. Let's see what my man Aaron is doing. I'm not gonna be here long, so I can park the car sideways. It is what it is. That one is. What does that stuff do?
Helps it slide on easier.
There she is. It's on there.
Buttery!
Maybe on the next go around, we'll do a 355. Yep, now we are just about back to the house. I'm right around the corner from my house. I have left the shop. What I'm gonna do now is pop the wheels on, so that way we can get Prime back on the road, man. You got the blue wheel and you got the red wheel. We're gonna do it just like this. Decals on the floor. 1, 2, 3. All we have to do is go mount them back on the car, and we should be good to go. Let's do it. Alright you guys, so we finally got the tires on. I have not driven Prime in a week. Literally last week on a Saturday was the last time I drove the car, and I didn't drive it again since because I was waiting for my tires to get here, get them put on and all that good stuff. What I'm gonna do is I still have to take it to the alignment shop, but I'm not gonna make it today because today we're shooting a video and it's really hot right now. So I just want to go inside, you know, freshen up. I got sweat dripping down my face, bruh. Bruh. Yeah, there's too much going on right now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. The tires are on. I feel way more comfortable now. Somebody at Hot Import, a couple people at Hot Import Night said, yo, Dilla, man, about time for some new tires. You been doing burnouts? It's not burnouts, bruh, but it's definitely about time for some new tires. Excited to try these out. These are the Pirelli P0. I've been rocking the Michelin Pilot Super Sport ZR rated tires for, you know, quite some time now. I've had 2 sets of those, and this is my first set of these. So we're gonna give them a shot and see how long these last and how they ride and all that good stuff. Meantime, between time. A Dilla, Priminator, out.